Make it glow. Make it glow.
Uh-huh. Yeah, yeah. Get it, get it, get it, get it.
You guys rock.
You got to take it.
I mean, you.
Yes.
No cops, no cops, no cops.
Yeah. I give that 30 seconds. I give that 30 seconds.
Yeah. I think the last time we were here, we were lighting out fireworks in the middle of the street. Cops came.
Yeah.
Anyway, it was like Bucko that owned Waterfront. No, I've never seen him before.
Alright, so no one knows him, but he keeps his car talking like every girl that we
He's like a tourist. So.
Yeah, we're gonna knock him out the house. He keeps trying to talk to us.
Get it, girl.
Yes.
Is that
Whoa, were you still shooting?
Yeah.
Amazing. That's going to be amazing. Yeah.
I love hooping. I will make everyone know hoop. I know, it's like 3 to 5 pounds. Really? I put 175 BBs and 3 cups of water. Yeah. It gets your abs so tight. I feel it. And well, tomorrow, I hoop for hours. I'm gonna try to hoop with one of those for 8 hours straight. For the record? Yeah. Guinness Book. You can do it now, right? It's so good. I like one of those.